Yo, this is Music Phil and this is YardStyle Live. You don't know about YardStyle Live? Yes, sir, we keep it real and yes, sir, we keep it clean. So you know, so this week on YardStyle Live we have Maino Marley. And you know, him a bridge the gap between hip hop, reggae and dancehall. Him there. On YardStyle Live, but here what happen? Check it out on YardStyle Live. Zane, like, share, comment. YardStyle Live. Bless.
Yard Style Live. Yard Style Live. Wagwan, you're tuned to Yard Style Live.
Hey, this is YardStyle Live, brought to you by
Know Your Roots. The legendary Backyard Magazine.
Yo, this is Music Phil and this is YardStyle Live. And you don't know upon YardStyle Live today we have
Maino Marley.
Maino Marley. You see me? Welcome to YardStyle Live. You don't know?
Thank
Big
you.
up, respect, manners, and thanks.
Alright.
Yo, people, this is Maino Marley. I'm travel from,
Virginia.
yeah, to come all the way to,
Kingston, Jamaica.
right, and YardStyle
YardStyle.
Live.
Live.
You don't know, sir? You don't know, sir? Two cultures meet, you know, America, Jamaica, you know what we call it, you know, but another music we are one. So, Maino Marley, what's your correct name?
My correct name is Jermaine Samuels.
Jermaine Samuels. I tell you something still, Jermaine. That name there wouldn't work still, you know. It's too smooth, you know? Yeah, man. But we know so that's the name of them used to do the transactions, etc.
yeah.
Jermaine Samuels. So how did this name, Maino Marley, came about?
Well, I grew up playing basketball, you know.
You're
and,
playing basketball.
He
Yeah,
does
yeah.
know his thing.
Yeah.
And I grew up in I left Virginia. I left New York when I was very young. So in Virginia, there was a lot of southern cultures.
Yeah.
So I had some friends who just started calling me Maino because of my name Jermaine.
Jermaine.
Yeah, Maino, Jermaine, you know.
Yeah.
And the Marley came in because I was Jamaican. So being American,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know,
yeah. They must say Marley.
yeah, when I said Marley.
Yeah.
So, you know, I just ran with it and it stuck everywhere I go. That's why when I'm home, Maino Marley, Maino Marley.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
And the name just stuck
stuck,
from
yeah.
there. So how long, let me ask now, so you transition name from Jermaine what?
Jermaine Samuels, this is my
So,
yeah, to Maino.
Maino Marley.
Yeah.
All right. What was your first song?
My first song
Yeah.
was
Or not even a first song, first studio experience before I go song.
first studio experience. I was 17, 16. And it was wonderful. I had some friends that did music, but I was a ball player, so I was just soaking it up. I know I always loved music, being a big fan of reggae. So you know, I just felt it. So I just went home, wrote a freestyle, came back with them the next day. They had some downtime, and I just tried it.
So what did you do? What was the song or what was the melody you were running that time? You say you go man freestyle. What was it like?
It was all over the place.
Yeah.
All over the place. But I mean, I had the right guidance, the good friends to help me, you know, tame the flow a little bit, just try to find myself.
All right, listen.
Yeah.
So you went in the studio because you had a vibe and some sort of inspiration. Let's go to the people who got inspiration. What was the song what you wrote that day? What where you write that day there? Let me hear it. Just a little.
I can't really remember. It's been so long ago, but it was a long time ago.
Okay.
But that's where the love really started for real.
So who was your earliest like influence in the music? Like you say, yo, me got the reggae music and mix it with little hip hop, you know. Your earliest influences
Vice Cartel,
up to the time.
up to the time.
And?
Beanie Man, Bone Tequila,
Yeah.
just the greats, Buju, Sizzla for sure, for
Yeah.
sure. And on the rap side, you know, you got Meek Mill, Nas, Jay-Z, Biggie, you know, those heavy hitter names, people that speaking something in their music, Tupac, you know, positive meaning behind the music. So
So I guess with those two genres, with all of those big names you call and you fuse them together, you're supposed to get a great sound, you know.
yeah, most definitely.
So going on further now, which song did you like? May I go to the first song where you record, you know, like you say, all right, this is the song where I run it and I go voice it and it voice and thing.
That was I've Been in the Field.
All right, so when you did that song, and you say family and friends, you know, heard it, they ran with it, and it was like, yo, Maino Marley, I'm a virgin that, whatever. So you got street cred, yeah? And then after that, I figure more or less, I mean, producers start coming at you. A lot of people,
Yeah.
you know, the girls, etc.,
Yeah.
and endorsements. So what was it like after devising that one song, that song?
It was great. I got to not to work with so much as big artists yet as label signed, but got to work with some nice people like in Dice Payne, which
Yeah.
is a good singer, you know, a good friend of mine through the music. So it just brought a lot of positive and good people around me, and I'm just thankful for them. But as far as the producers, lots of producers. Producers send me rhythms on a daily basis, heavy loads, big 20 packs of rhythms in my emails.
Stacks.
Yeah, stacks. So I just go through them. Me and the road manager, we just go through them and just try to pick which one we can find a hit through.
So how has it been in terms of like family support? Like, you know, cause listen, I'm in music. I mean, can't tell me diverted from doing, I was supposed to be some farmer, what else I'm supposed to be? Some lawyer or something like that, or whatever. I mean, switch and go music. It came with a backlash. I mean, like,
Yeah, that's
so how did they say, well, this brother's gonna be he's gonna be a DJ, he's gonna reply him? I go,
I mean, that's a great question. That's a great topic right there. It's funny that you said. I mean, I'm here right now with nothing but family.
Yeah.
So it's at first it was a little bit bumpy because you know,
yeah, you know.
I'm my mother only son, so she, you know, it's a lot of things that happen in music that she ain't.
Protective.
Yeah. So she ain't want to reach me. So you know, but everything happened to be the right way. You know, I mean, it's got nothing but family, so I know I'm secure. I got some family members that still look at me as Lil Jermaine. So no matter how much records I make or songs I produce, you know what I'm saying, or it's still gonna be Jermaine.
So you have a strong unit because it was mainly family that
Yeah.
supported you. So are you signed to any particular label?
Right now, I'm working on signing with Shattes Records,
Yeah, where's that based?
based out of New York, but mainly in Kingston too. You know,
Yeah.
yeah, it's it's a international label,
Okay.
so independent. You know, he's building. I believe in him just as much as he believes in me. So, you know, we're just trying to move forward.
So have you gotten to collaborated with any local Jamaican artists, as to say?
Not quite as much, but I'm on the Red Run Rhythm,
Yeah,
which
I
is
saw it, yeah.
which is a big rhythm. You know, it got a lot of heavy hitters on it. Munga, Javalani, TJ.
I
You
see
know,
the lineup.
yeah. So there's a lot of good people. I'm just excited for that. You know, I'm
And
just
to me,
grateful.
the main fact that you're in the lineup with all of those big
Yeah,
artists,
yeah,
you're basically you're a Jamaican. Then,
Yeah, most
You're
definitely.
the other thing. You
yeah.
understand?
This what my heart is at.
Yeah.
This is what my heart is at. This is the end game for me. I was just telling my road manager, this is where the end game is at. You know, just feel more nice. I just love the studio. I love the feeling, the energy. You know.
All right, so where has this music taken, Marley? Where has it taken you?
Taking me to the top, taking me out of trouble, taking me out of
That's the first somebody ever said this. You know?
yeah, taking me out of trouble,
Yeah.
taking me out of just taking me out of everything negative and just around positive vibes every day. You know, we just one step closer to the dream. So
Have you done any form of traveling, like tours or concerts or something like that?
not yet, but I've been. I mean, my little area where I'm at, Virginia.
You can't
yeah,
get so much.
I tear that up.
If you can't perform there, you can't perform
Yeah, no,
out, you know.
yeah,
So you
yeah.
have to rule where you come from.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
you got a lot of love from the era. So
A lot of love.
let me ask now. All right. You say you're from?
Virginia.
Right.
Yeah.
So where exactly in Virginia are you from?
Richmond to be exact, 804. Big
Okay.
up on the south.
All right. Any particular stage show or event or somewhere you just turn up and start, me I go rock the mic, you know, and it shell the place. You can any memory?
Yes.
Yeah.
it's just recent. We had an underground tour, international. Leslie, big up yourself anyway. You're there. She
Yeah.
put me on a nice little tour,
Yeah.
and we toured up. I performed beside Cyclone. I don't know if you ever heard of Cyclone.
Yeah, man, I know Cyclone. He
performed
signed to Barbican.
yeah. So perform with him, you know. So you don't know. We just do the work. Just doing the work.
No, I want to know how you go, how the thing go. You're not gonna just tell
Oh,
me.
all right.
You give me details, cause this is YardStyle Live.
All right. So
And we
first,
can tell you, yes sir, we keep it real.
Real,
That's the
alright.
motto.
all right. So first I was when walk out to cause it was a Jamaican like tour type of thing,
Yeah.
type of performance. So I started off trying to get them to relate to me. So I walked out to Popcorn Relevant.
Yeah.
You know, just got the crowd feeling it, dancing, and then I just introduced myself. You know, asked them if they really have a good time, and got a nice reaction from the crowd. You know, dropped my song, which
Which
is
song you drop?
my song was called Faces.
Tell me.
Faces. That's the difference between me and y'all. Some of y'all ain't grew up where I grew up at. Y'all just heard about it. People out here wildin', all they know is violence. Boys can't get no jobs. Everybody, niggas grow up hearing cop cars and hearing sirens. We ain't grow up hearing sweet songs playing through no violence. Free all my young niggas, some did the race. All for the love of blue hunters that feel the safe. I pray they trapping safe, flood them diamonds in the face, trying to make it out the hood. No, we can't escape. We from Section 8, ramen noodles had to scrape. Now we living straight, eating salmon with the steak.
Wow.
Rose Ace, Henny out the case. Rolly bust face, little
Pull
nigga.
up.
Yeah.
If them want any more, them have to go pay a fee.
Yeah. Stream.
Big man, that hard man. Rough.
Respect.
Trust me. I need it now, dog. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
YardStyle, live.
Yeah. Big man. Yeah,
Yeah.
spit some heavy rhymes right there. So.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, call it say 5 years from now. When am I gonna say Maino Marley? What's Maino Marley gonna be? The name, the artist, the movement.
Global star. Global.
Like?
You know, as far as big as like them heavy names that I called in the early in the interview, you know, just among those type of names, and just hopefully just producing wonderful music for the world. So hopefully you see me in Europe, Dubai, you know, all over the world making music. I want to get into lots of things. It's bigger than music too,
Yeah.
though.
Merchandise
and
and
merchandise,
advertising.
acting. You know, this is my merch right here. You know, so
Yo, shine the light on them, man.
yeah,
Shine.
merch my merch
Yeah.
right here, Triple R. Yeah, so you know, we just everything, acting, you know, ownership, all types of stuff.
Okay, so basically you're saying you're gonna have a movement, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not gonna be like the musical. You're gonna do everything that comes to the music.
Everything,
Producing,
everything,
endorsement,
Yes.
movies, commercials.
promote everything,
All right.
everything.
Yeah, man. So where can people find Maino Marley on social media?
They can follow me on @Maino Marley on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, all one name. No underscore, just Maino Marley.
Maino Marley. And the label you're signed to know, the name of the label you said was again?
Shattest Records.
Shaka's Records.
Yeah.
Yeah, look out for that label.
Yeah,
Okay.
look out for that record.
Yeah, so Maino Marley. So it's a big things in the making for you in 2022 and beyond.
Yes,
And we look forward to see you back on YardStyle Live again. You know?
yes,
So you
most
see,
definitely.
anytime you have the new song and a new video, you link YardStyle Live. Because as we say, yes, so we keep it real.
Yes,
You see me? So Maino Marley, big up yourself. Thanks for being a part of the YardStyle Live experience.
yes.
As I said, Maino Marley is a fusion between
Hip hop,
hip hop and reggae.
yeah.
You see me? You understand me? So it's a nice fusion. I'm going to announce this to the world. And the first we're going to have an artist like this on the show. I'm going to make the world know. Maino Marley, you come set it.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Anybody else
Thanks for
after
having
that, I will come build a new stage.
All
You
right.
just said that a while ago. You see me?
Yes, sir.
Respect for being a part of YardStyle Life. And we're going to be all the best in your endeavors. We're going to do to support the thing to the max.
me. Thank you.
Anytime you have anything new, link YardStyle Life. We're going to promote it. Put it
All
out
right.
there. So big up yourself.
Yeah, thanks for having
Yeah,
me.
man. People,
YardStyle.
Maino Marley, check him out on all digital platforms.
All right.
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everything in there.
Everything.
Link it. Maino Marley. YardStyle Live.
Oh,
YardStyle Live is brought to you by Willie's Thatch Roof, 115A, Bullines Road, restaurant and bar.
Wagwan, you're tuned to YardStyle Live.
Yo, this is Music Phil, and this is YardStyle Live. I don't know upon YardStyle Live today. We have performing Maino Marley, fresh from out of Virginia. Him there upon YardStyle Live stage. I'm one of the first artists of this genre for there. So I'm going to bridge the two gaps between reggae, hip-hop, and dancehall. Maino Marley, YardStyle Live.
Yeah. Shatted's production. Yeah. Pasadan. Yeah. Baby, we can roll in and roll out. Body so bad it made me fall out. Mommy so bad I pull a roll out. Why you so bad I go all out. Yeah. I don't wanna hurt you. I've been on it for so long, I know I deserve you. FaceTime, I pick up, I won't curve you. I won't hurt you, yeah. I won't put you through no heartbreak. The love of my life, she want the light. I won't put you through no heartache. Treating you right, I'm treating you nice. Yeah, 50K up for the night, girl, that's something slight. Cover all your flights. Niggas that you left, now you at your best, wasn't living right. And I ain't like them, I'm a different type. Introduce you to a different life. Show me all the different things you like. I just wanna show you paradise. Baby, what's in your man? I'm in your hand, thumbing through them bands. Lay your feet all through the sand on a different land. Do everything you can. Baby, what you want from me? Cause I want all of you. She take it all for me. She bring it all for you. Oh, we can roll in and roll out. Yeah, body so bad it made me fall out. Yeah, mommy so bad I pull a roll out. Yeah, why you so bad I go all out. Yeah, I don't wanna hurt you. I've been on it for so long, I know I deserve you. FaceTime, I pick up, I won't curve you. I won't hurt you. Yeah. But lately, you've been heavy on my head. More time making for meds. You driving me crazy. Girl, what you do to me? More time I can't believe. But once you have my babies, want give you all my seed. Give you everything you need. Forget between your jeans, me swim me seeing on my dreams. Can't hide me off the scene. No good the fuck on the scheme. For real. Want you to love me like I'm the only one. You want nasty, gotta show me some. Want you me like you owe me some. Girl, can't nobody tell me none. They just mad you bad, big Birkin bag. Girl, you stunned. Yeah, we can roll in and roll out. Yeah, body so bad it make me fall out. Yeah, mommy so bad I pull a roll out. Yeah, why you so bad I go all out. Yeah, I don't wanna hurt you. I've been on it for so long, I know I deserve you. FaceTime, pick up, I won't curve you. I won't hurt you. I won't put you through no heartbreak. Love of my life, she want the light. I won't put you through no heartache. I'm treating you right, I'm treating you nice. Treating you, yeah. Ready rum.
People, see this so. YardStyle Live, history create. Maino Marley, my bridge the gap between hip-hop, reggae, and dancehall. First, by YardStyle Live, because we say by YardStyle Live, yes, so we keep it real. So people, this is Maino Marley. Where you far from again? Tell them quick.
Richmond, Virginia, you know the vibes.
You're in the house, you know. We up. Yeah, man, so big up Maino Marley. I'm going to on all social networks, all digital platforms. Please share, like, subscribe to Maino Marley. Check it out. You understand me? YardStyle Live, yes, so we keep it real. Maino Marley, shout out again.
Yes, sir. Big up yourself, YardStyle Live.
You see it, you heard music field there. So big up yourself, Maino Marley pan YardStyle Live. Yes, so we keep it real. Bridging the gap between hip-hop, reggae, and dancehall. Yeah. Our there Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah. Willie Star Truth, Kingston, Jamaica. Check it out. What do you mean? Maino Marley, music field. YardStyle Live. We in the building. Yeah.
Hi, this is Liziana, and this segment is brought to you by Roots 96.1 FM, the voice of the inner city.
Roots 96.1 FM, owned and operated by the Mustard Seed Communities, located at 1 Maho Drive, Kingston 11, giving voice to the voiceless.
This is Music Phil.
This is DJ Spooky.
With Fling Back, Fling Back, Fling Back, Fling Back, Fling Back.
Rotted Rhythm Review.
I am Music Phil.
And I am DJ Spooky.
And this week's rhythm review is,
Dirty Money.
Dirty Money. Produced by
Q45.
I know the rhythm track was laid by Steely and Clevey. Yeah, you
man.
understand me? This rhythm came out in what year?
99.
99.
Yeah.
Yeah, it had some bad songs on it.
Bad songs
on it. Songs like The Capleton.
More Profit.
More Profit. People called it St. Mary.
St. Mary come from.
And you had Mr. Lex.
Ring
Then
Off
the
Me
name
Selly.
Lexus. Ring Off Me Selly.
Ring Off
Which
Me
was one
Selly.
of the other bad songs on it. And
Bad
who
song.
against forget? Two other songs.
You have Danny English on
Dan
it.
English. What name again?
Wow.
Wow. And again,
And
who
the
again?
next song named Body and Looks.
Body and Looks.
Yeah.
And then
Two
you had
songs.
Mr. Country and Mr. Vegas on it.
Mr. Vegas on it.
What Mr. Vegas' name again?
That song is
what?
I don't remember the name.
Oh, Get Something Away and I Get Something. No, a different.
Different rhythm that.
For those who don't know who Steely and Clevey is, Steely and Clevey are the twin, the duo of them were responsible for the digital
Dancehall.
revolutionary dancehall. You know,
And
they
reggae.
produce, they produce whole heap of hits on like No One in the World, When.
Whole heap of songs.
Whole heap of songs.
Whole
Whole
heap
heap of
of
rhythm
can't
too.
count.
Can't count. So if I say Steely and Clevey, you know, say a bad rhythm. Them produce for Q45, Dirty Money.
Yeah, man.
All right. Big up on yourself, Steely and Clevey. Q45, Dirty Money. Released in, which year again, Spooky?
1999.
Yeah, 1999.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Songs I'm do them are songs like,
It's Mr.
Capleton.
Lex.
We're going to start first with the Fireman first. Send me where we come from.
Yeah.
You see me? I didn't call it More Fire.
More Fire, yeah.
But
That's
people
the right
call it
name.
Sent Me.
St. Mary come
All
from.
right, and then you have Mr. Lex.
Ring Off Me Selly.
Ring up. Then tell me just get one starter. My name
Starter
did that.
phone.
My name did have a charger feet. Yeah, me did one that ring there.
Then time start to run
Yeah,
the
man. Then
place.
time the starter ring. Yeah. And
Yeah.
also you had two other persons that me can mention. You had Mr. Vegas,
Vegas, yeah.
name, what the song the name? Blaze the Fire.
Blaze Fire.
Right, and then you had Dan English.
Dan English. Wow.
Wow.
And also Body and Looks.
Body and Looks.
Two songs.
Yeah, all right. You understand me?
And Elephant Man.
Elephant Man. What Elephant Man song the name again?
His name Rat Patrol.
Yeah, yeah, Rat Patrol.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was one of those rhythms that was very popular them time there. You see me? But there were some songs in it that actually they were the power songs.
Power songs.
And the rhythm. More songs up on rhythm, but you see them one here.
Was a power song.
Them are the power song. The other one them, me not be say the producer, the other song them a make up or catch up. But it's them song that we call them four song there.
Yeah.
If you don't play them four song then the juggling also you had to play them in a specific order. You have to play Mr. Vegas,
Yeah.
and then you play like the Ellie,
Ellie.
and then you play the Lex,
Lex.
and then you play the Capleton.
Cape Town last.
Yeah, you can't, if you play the Capleton first, you
Cape
probably
Town was
have-
the hottest one.
Yeah.
for it.
If you play the Capleton, the only thing you could have paid for that was the Lex. The rest of them did have to go stay. You understand? So it was one of them. But dance rhythm before we go into the 2000s.
2000.
Yeah, you understand? The rhythm bad, mash on the place. Whole heap of dance, it mash up 'cause I was a part of the dancehall experience too. Whole heap of fete, all of them something. The Capleton did create havoc in a dancehall.
Tear the place, man.
Yeah, then the Capleton did have the big fire. Not
Fire,
saying
man,
no him
right.
have a light in it, but the fire they just start them time, then more fire.
More fire.
Yeah. When that a play more time, you should have known said me, whoa, beer
Be a
fire,
touch.
beer
Be a
touch.
touch. Place a bun down.
Yeah, and then the Lex, in the name Lexus and then Mr. Lex. Him did us two things busting at that thing there. Fire and cell phone.
Cell phone.
Yeah, them two things there. Because it make everybody want a ring to everybody have a ring.
Ring
Yeah,
on
that,
the
that,
celly.
yo, believe you me, StarTac, I was the phone and then you know
Yeah,
them
man.
time there, everybody that them look out type of for him say StarTac.
StarTac.
Yeah. Bad
Bad.
rhythm. You see me, it was one of the turning points with him. So me, for the rhythm, me I go say, Mr. Lex take it, Spooky.
Capleton, take it
Yeah.
to me.
The other one them down on one part.
Part, yeah.
Them make up the rhythm.
Make up.
In a business, the producer them want vex. But it's the Capleton
And
and
the
Mr.
Lex.
Lex,
Them
them
two
are the
take it.
strongest song on the rhythm. You see me? But how me I go grade that song, you know? Me I tell you my opinion. The Dirty Money rhythm, it a classic. You know, classic. Out of 10, but I give it probably around 7. 7. How much you give it, Spooky?
Classic rhythm. That's a 6.
Yeah. You understand me?
Classic
So
rhythm,
yeah,
man.
I just hit that. But believe you me, the song did have a vibe. A whole heap of remix it come out on it. It was one of them rhythm where everybody did want to ride. Remember, it was 99 going into 2000.
2000.
And dance and did that change. Yeah, me
To
so.
the 2000.
Yeah, so me and Spooky there, we did a dance, we did it on sound system, different sound system, and that was one that they hot with it. Dirty Money, Q45. Yeah, Steely and Cleavy laid the tracks them. You understand me? So, yeah, the rhythm shot. Me give it 7, Spooky give it 6. So it's a classic
Classic.
rhythm. Classic rhythm. Yeah, rated rhythm review. I give it 7, Spooky give it 6. Yeah, so it go. So people remember the rhythm, Dirty Money.
Dirty Money.
Yeah, by Q45.
Q45.
Yeah, Google it. You can look for it on YouTube. Yeah, Dirty Money. Yeah, man. Bless. I mean this in a music field.
I mean this in a DJ Spooky, you know.
Yeah, man. And this has been Fling Back.
Rated rhythm review.
Wagwan, you're tuned to YardStyle Live.
Yeah, this is your girl Liziana with this week's Outer Road Mixtape. Free My People by DJ Kenny. Suicidal by DJ Don Kingston.
Don Kingston, juggle. Don Kingston, juggle.
And that was this week's Outer Road Mixtape. This week's primetime showcase is Wish You Were Here by Mr. Easy.
Words just can't explain the pain, my heart still bleeds. Oh yeah, so me ask the creator because I am the maker. With me G gone on to somewhere greater. It's not the same since my brother left ya. I wish you were here. Oh.
Questions by Owa Zawa.
So many families torn who can't give account for their offspring born. The last time they saw their smile was the last time they saw their child. So many last year, costing so many tears. Can I ask one last question? Did we try to save every last one? Wait, I have a question. Can you answer this?
This week's new releases are My Wave by Terry K featuring C4 The Rapper. This is Liziana, and you can check me out, guys, on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Yeah. So check out Liziana. You don't know anything though. Oh.
Yes, do remember to like, share, subscribe to YardStyle Live on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. YardStyle Live. Yes, so we keep it real. Music feel.
Got them, YardStyle Life, road open again. Outside, we out here, send every poster. Me nah miss no event. Every party, you fi see me where ya say no see me. You know see road open again. Might as well make us sell the bed. Dirt bunks me catch up my friend. We a brav money enough they have to spend. YardStyle Life say them fully charge up. Plug in like charter port. We outside we no shot a close. We a party gyal a wet up with water hose. We a the hard support. We fully charge up. Plug in like charter port. Molly gyal a pop and fresh with half a dose. YardStyle a star. Me and actor them know how we start the show. House party I coulda beat and YardStyle Life off a reach one. Right now gyal a bubble up and rum each fan. Shelly belly have a gyal in a the rubbish pan.